Time now is 2:40. This is Bandipur forest. Night 2:40. And I come for the safari. It will start at 5 o'clock. They will issue the ticket. Last bus idkomande. I came by the last bus, TNSTC Ooty bus. Welcome to Bandipur Tiger Reserve Safari Campus. Melu Kamanahalli. 6:30 is the bus. 5 o'clock they will issue the ticket. I am at Bandipur Huli Samrakshita Pradesha. Incredible India. It's nobody, no vehicle, nothing. I don't know what to do. There are some chairs. I'll just sit here. Kerala bus went. This is the forest office. You can hear some bird sound. There are no other buses from Bangalore at night time, so only I came by this bus. It left at 11 o'clock. It has reached at 2:40. Even ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದನೂ ಯಾವುದೋ ಬಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗುಂಡ್ಲುಪೇಟೆಗೆ ನೈಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ at night time. That's an all forest. There is some animal over there. It keeps making sound. It's breaking the tree and all. There. Some tourists came. It is 3:10. Some tourists came. They are inside their car only. So I am the only person here. Stray dog came. Like for my protection. Some animal over there. His dog keeps watching him in that time. So very intensely watching that side. Time 4:45 ಆಯಿತು. It's 4:45. Few 2-3 cars came. They are gone on this side till the checkpost. 2-3 cars are parked here. I don't know when they'll start issuing the ticket. This dog, God has sent me this dog. Throughout the night it has kept me company. Whenever anyone comes now, it goes and greets them. ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್. ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯೂವಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. 650 is for the bus, 1100 for the jeep. So I took the jeep, 1100. These people are from jungle lodges, so special people. They said leopard and tiger, they roam here, it seems, at night time. So night time I kept on hearing sound. Even the dog was very alert. I don't know. ಆ ಕಡೆನೇ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ. (6:30 to 9), 3:30 to 6. 6:30. Deal. There's two cubs, so we are turning back and seeing. It went inside. It's gone inside. The speaker keeps on running from that time. ಬೇಜಾನಿದೆ. ಜಿಂಕೆ ಇದು. Look at this. All the days are running. It's so huge. It's so ಫೋಟೋ
ಪ್ರಕಾಶ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಕುಣಿತ ಟೀಚರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಗಾಡಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ
That's the anti-poaching campaign.
53 ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಪೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಂಡೀಪುರ.
ಅದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಯಾವ ಗುಡ್?
ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಪೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗೋಲ್ ಗೋಲ್
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ 53 ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಪೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬಂಡೀಪುರ ಕಾಡು.
ಅದು ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ, ಹಿಮವದ್ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ. ಅದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂಡೀಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಪೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್. Super. It's not coming out at all. So we are leaving. It woke up. It woke up. It woke up. ಹೊರಟಾಯ್ತು. ಗುಂಡ್ಲುಪೇಟೆ, ಮೈಸೂರು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಗೂಡಲ್ಲೂರು, ಊಟಿ.